Yes, yes. In hard times, in hard times basic to myself because everything is basic on me. And enemies, full of enemies, I cannot be portrayed because I am the beautiful of all creatures. And I will won victory by them soundscapes. And I am the Alpha and Omega. It will basic on me in any kind of due to multiple enemies, due all of enemies because I'm Alpha and Omega. And I won the first and the last and the last. And I will won the last. And I aim victory for all peoples and for myself to live forever, endless, no end. No end without is the word without anything, no end. In the last. And because I am the Alpha and Omega and the Jesus, God, I will create any kind of happenings to create full lives, and to be measured on the lives supports glory and unstoppable happenings and moments and years. And I'm on my own futures. I can hold futures and everything because I'm Alpha and Omega and I am Yahweh. Endless knowing God's happiness.